Hey everybody, I want to introduce a build I've been doing. Um, I haven't been making a lot of videos, but I have been actually doing a lot of builds. This one here is the Hasegawa 89 Toyota prototype. So I almost got it done, so all I got to do was work on the body. Chassis is done. This is not a high part count kit, but it is a pretty cool subject. The dashboard is pretty much done, just waiting to be glued on. It glues on onto the body, so I have to finish that before I glue it on. It's sitting there waiting. The wing is just glued on, and quite unfortunately, as the TM decals messed up while they were curing, so I had them just sitting somewhere, and I came back and they looked good, they looked set. This one ended up cracking in a couple places, so then I put that Salva set or whatever, one of the many different ones for softening up a decal, and then it ended up eating a little bit of the paint, which was kind of odd. So that kind of irritated me, and while doing that I ended up losing one of the decals on the side. So not a good start on the decals. Thought the decals would have been really good on this kit. They're nice and thick, but you definitely have to use that solvent on these or they will crack when they dry. So I'm gonna have to do the body a little bit better. I probably can touch that up before I clear over it, but yeah, other than that, they look really good. So it's a little disappointing. Shit happens though. We always made kits without mistakes. We'll never learn. They all look the same. The wheels also, those decals, those were the ones just like Tamiya's where they come two-sided. They went on really good. I put some clear over top of them and then did some weathering, and then all of a sudden some of them disappeared. So some look better than the other, but they are tires, so I did put some weathering on them to wear them out. The body is actually quite nice. Once everything's done, it's still going to just slide right off, so that's going to be pretty cool. The only problem is there's no detail in this kit. This is it. So it's almost like, why even bother having a body come off? But it's a cool car, so it should be nice to have a prototype sitting on the shelf. But there is a couple things that's a little disappointing, but I'll get it done and just sit on the shelf. These do go for good money on eBay. I bought this one, I think, on Facebook Marketplace, because it does have a sticker on it, and I know I didn't pay that much for it. But unless you really want a prototype race car, which I really enjoy watching endurance racing, so this was kind of one that I really wanted. If it's not something you really want, I don't think it's one that really is worth that price. There's not a lot into it. Tamiya has this car. It might be a different year, so I think the vents are a little different and all that, but the back comes off and it has a full engine. If I was going to pay that money, I'd pay it for the Tamiya one, because you get that added detail. I don't think this kit was ever meant to be charged that much, but it hasn't been repopped in a while, so a lot of people charging that much because people can't get their hands on it. So with that being said, hopefully you like it. We'll see what happens when it gets done. I'm hoping to paint this body and finish this up soon, get some decals on it, and then once that is, hopefully it looks good. But as of right now, it's in a little rough state. So until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.